Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about the most profitable business in Nigeria. Okay, so this year there has been lots and lots of profitable business, but you would agree with me that the most profitable businesses this year have been businesses that are related to food. Yes, because people must eat to survive. So it means the most profitable business in the year 2025 is going to be food related business, food stuff business. This year, lots of people who start palm oil have made profits, maximum profits. People who are into food stuff are making money. They are selling out because people must eat to survive. No matter the cost of food stuff, people must eat. Okay, so any food related business in the year 2025, is definitely going to sell. Okay, so the first most profitable business in the year 2025 is going to be food related business. That is crayfish. If you're into crayfish business, you will make money because people must use crayfish to cook. If you're into fish, dry fish, you will sell. Stock fish, you will sell. Okay. If you're into processing because people must eat plantain flour will sell because it's for diabetics and they can't do without it. So plantain flour, processed plantain flour will sell. Okay, so any food stuff you can lay your hands on in the year 2025, ensure you store it because it's going to give you maximum profit after storage and during sales. Okay, my superstars. All right. The next most profitable business in Nigeria in 2025 is solar installation business. Yes, people have gradually had the need for power, and we all know that in Nigeria we have power issues. Okay, we do not have steady supply of electricity, so there's a desire and a shift by people to go look for alternative sources of energy, which is solar. Solar is free from the sun. Okay, all you need is your solar panel and installation, and you're good to go. You don't need to buy fuel, you don't need to buy anything. All you need is free energy from the sun to get your solar panels charged up and working. So lots of people are saving up to install solar, no matter the size. Okay, based on their capability, they are saving up to install solar in their homes. So lots of people who are into solar installation are going to be making money. And guess what, my superstars? You don't need to have knowledge of how to do solar installation before you can make money from solar installation. Even if you could be like a middleman between the solar installer and the person who needs solar. Okay, you can work together with someone who installs solar. All you have to do is to advertise, make flyers, advertise on your social media platforms about solar, the price and everything. And whenever you have people who need it, all you need to do is give the job to the solar installer, okay, who then executes the job while you keep your profits. Okay, my superstar, so you don't need to have knowledge, absolute knowledge on solar installation. All you need is to have knowledge of how to market. I know people who take people's product and marketing, they are good at marketing, they are good orators. They can turn black to white, they can turn white to red, but right before your very eyes. Okay, so if you have great marketing skills, then you can advertise solar energy and then make money from it. Okay, my superstars. All right. The next business that is going to thrive so much in the year 2025 is hair business. My superstars, no matter how much they say there's no money, a lady wants to look good. Okay, so if you are into sales of hairs, then you are going to make money. All right, all you have to do is look for hairs that are of good quality but affordable, and then you'll be surprised at the number of customers you will have. Okay, because ladies, they want to look different, they want to look beautiful every time. So people who are into hair wigs business, they are definitely going to sell and make money in the year 2025. All right, my superstars. Next are people who are into poultry. Okay, so we have so many people who are gradually knowing the importance of healthy living. People are living red meat and consuming more of chicken, that is poultry. So no matter how much they say feed is expensive and chicken is expensive, people still buy chicken. Okay, it's an alternative source of protein for people who cannot eat cow meat. So people who are into poultry are going to make money. Eggs, people who do eggs, okay, who do layers, they'll make money because people must consume eggs. Eggs is one of the cheapest protein for a child, okay, and it's used for lots and lots of bakery processes. So people who are into poultry, be it layers for the eggs or broilers for the meat, they are definitely going to make money in the year 2025. All right, my superstars. Okay, so if you have any idea and I missed it, just list it in the comment section. All right, and we'll get it from there. All right, thank you very much, my superstars. Have you liked this video? Please take a second to hit the like button and share this video. And my superstars, if you have not subscribed, please take a second to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right, thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you, my superstars.